what an interview this is. Only metaphors and कहावत्स and you know.
हाँ मैं लिख के लेके आया था.
फिलोसोफर के सामने आ गया. बीच में फिलोसोफर ऐसा करता है. But then ultimately he's a man. वो ऐसा भी करता है. Ultimately he's an old man. Calling old man brocha. अभी automatic आ गया चूतिया. अरे तूने क्या किया यार एक्टर.
I remember shooting with Manoj sir, Mr. Manoj Bajpayee. This was in 2013-14. I was shooting a film with him and we were getting along. We were in Hyderabad 5-6 days. I mean, we were there for 15 days, but on the 5th-6th day, he must have heard from someone, some AD. So at one point, I think we were just chatting and he said, turned to me and said, hey, एक वीडियो कोई बोल रहा था तू IIT से है?
Lack of respect.
I said, हाँ sir मैं IIT से हूँ. IIT से. मैंने कहा हाँ मैं IIT.
वो same IIT.
सिर्फ छोड़ दिया तूने. मैंने कहा हाँ सर एक्टिंग मेरा बेटा होता ना मैं चोद इतना मारता है तुझे.
I was the head of this thing Siemens.
Who's?
Stop the interview. Okay, Cyrus says we have one of our leading actors about to win a national award. It'll happen, boss. Question of time. Amol Parashar is with us, Delhi boy, and I'll begin with Delhi boy. I'll tell you why Delhi boy also. Because he came to our studio here in Khar, Mumbai, expecting to find parking. देखिए सर जी, दिल्ली में जो है वो है, मुंबई में कुछ नहीं है. Parking went off with the British only. There's no parking.
Parking नहीं है. In fact, that's the only reason sometimes I think I should have a driver because then you can just get off the car and लगा देगा या फिर वो wait कर लेगा. But it takes 15 minutes I think for every meeting, every.
But what confidence that you're living in Mumbai? I mean now you're a big actor and all that, and you still feel कि कहीं पे जाओ I'll get the parking.
Parking मिल जाती है कहीं ना कहीं. But sometimes it's 2 lanes away or like 2 kilometers away.
But you don't care about all that. It doesn't upset
I
you.
like driving. I like driving enough for me to take that.
Masculinity की बात है उसमें. Because I have a friend Abad who has the same thing. He doesn't like people driving his car. He likes to drive his car himself. He feels like, like he's emasculated. Yeah. Is that also part of it?
No, I don't think it's just like I enjoy driving. I enjoy driving and sitting on the passenger seat is just boring. It's like, the wheel should be in my hands of my life.
So it's the same thing. It's the same.
Maybe, yeah. But it's more about freedom and this thing. I think the idea is less masculinity than कि मेरे जिंदगी का wheel मेरे हाथ में होना चाहिए. I should be deciding.
वो कहाँ से आ गया? मेरे जिंदगी का wheel मेरे. It sounds vulgar, यार. जिंदगी का gear.
These are gearless cars.
True.
Yeah. Now.
Calling old man brocha. अभी automatic आ गया चूतिया. That's what he's thinking. I'm just helping him.
नहीं मेरे पास भी था. I had the stick.
Manual. I just taught my daughter. She turned 18. I just taught her. I mean, every day we're practicing and all. And it's manual. We've taught her on manual. Yeah.
It's not like एक manual होता था. You must know how it used to be.
Somewhat it's that also. I'm just thinking कभी life में कुछ भी हो सकता है. You never know. I know it's obsolete technology and all that. But if you know this, knowing the second is much easier, na?
True.
So let her have that power.
But some of these kids, I'm saying like, I mean, we are much older than the kids, but some of them might not know what it was. Like one day they see a manual car, it's like, ये क्या है?
Or forget that top gears and all that. I don't even want to start with that.
Oh yeah. वो तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. Like no, the wheel के पीछे.
It's so insulting.
Wheel के पीछे वाला
गंदा. He's doing this also. But it's actually that's the action.
That's and it's.
I don't know you remember. I don't know what you remember. What up to the 80s, maybe 90s also there was some top gear, and then it became fully floor.
But the first car we got was the
already floor gear.
Manual, ये वाला manual, not this one. This I've used maybe. Yeah, I was gonna say this I have done in a few shoots.
Left right से कुछ फर्क नहीं होता. That's a preference.
Just away from the camera.
That's a preference.
Maybe it's less obscene. But yeah, I've done that little obscene action for shoots. In shoot, sometimes
an old car?
Yeah, like a vintage car. I was driving in a shoot. So there I had to learn to do that.
I had the same thing when we started shooting Bakra with the taxis in the late 90s, early 2000s. And some of them had top gears. Now I had forgotten. So many years had passed. So again I had to start doing it. And those gears don't go easily, yaar. Clutch the baki. It's not like a lorry ka clutch where you hit it hard and all that. It's just not smooth. So you're hitting it and the sound comes wrong, immediately.
बनाया ऐसे है कि गलती से ना लग जाए. So you have to really make an effort to put it in any gear.
So in a way it's advanced technology is what you're saying.
Yeah, it's also a workout.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Left bicep तो आपका बन जाएगा.
From that, आपका अभी your right hand drive, But now there's no gear.
Now there's no game.
You just have the steering.
Now my finger.
Okay, stop यार अमोल यार तमीज से बात करो यार तुम दिल्ली आदमी कैसे बात कर रहे हो यहाँ पे
But it is, I mean, at least the car I have is...
No, we can't get out of it. Okay, go ahead. Show it once.
It's a finger thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So my
you're
fingers are
you're
getting a
sounding like my
workout.
age where finger is very important.
Yeah. And my finger is getting a workout.
There you go.
Yeah.
No, but I understand. I appreciate. I had a friend Vasant Valsan who's Malayali from Delhi, but let's see, he's more Delhi than anything else. He used to produce shows at MTV. He got himself a car, got damn excited. Every time he went to a shoot, he would मैं चला के आते. And then every time he's searching for parking, but it didn't bother him.
Yeah. So I
We
think
just-
that's the stage I am in.
Yeah,
right
he
now.
said, I don't care. I want to drive. I love driving. Bas ho
Yeah,
gaya.
yeah. So the journey is worth the trouble of parking.
What an interview this is. Only metaphors and कहावत and
मैं लिख के
philosopher
लेके
के
आया था.
साथ philosopher के सामने आ गया. बीच में philosopher ऐसा करता है. But then ultimately he's a man.
ऐसे भी करता
वो ऐसा भी करता है. Ultimately he's an old man. Yeah. Okay, let's get cracking on the.
I mean, on that note, I mean, I know it's a lot of digression,
Huh.
but I have a crooked finger.
What are you saying?
This is as straight as my finger gets, and it is the finger which gets the
this
most.
is like a gali also. I don't know if he's making fun of me ना. तो ये तो cricket है ये बीच वाला create.
ये देखो कितना टेढ़ा.
तू देख.
But it is this is a very recent thing that's happened to me.
Show the cam.
There is a gap here.
Yeah, no, clearly.
There's a gap
clearly.
here. So
What happened?
a lot of people ask me, and especially given the finger it is.
हाँ.
So, बहुत सारे jokes मैंने exhaust किए हैं इसमें.
Exactly, yeah.
And the most recent one is मैंने करवाया है.
Cocktail conversation के लिए मैंने ऐसा किया.
ये मैंने करवाया हाँ, because it's
Fashion.
it's just better.
Yeah, better. वो सच बताओ ना.
I mean, it was an injury.
But how?
I wish I had a heroic story. I was playing cricket, but no,
That's a
I
good
didn't
story.
dive for the but I didn't dive for the ball. The ball didn't it was not a fast ball. I was trying to hit. I was
You were bringing
trying
in
to
the water.
pick up the ball from the ground.
Oh, jam किया ground
और
में.
ground में ऐसा.
Yeah, it's happened to me also.
हल्का
That's
सा
very
हुआ,
painful.
yeah,
What are you
yeah.
saying? और bend, unnatural bend हो जाता है उसमें. Stop the interview. Oh, God, I'm very squeamish about that. It's happened to me. Anyone it's happened to, they'll understand the pain. It's
Yeah,
just
but
that-
I thought it'll be a small thing. It'll just get better on its own. But now
never went
I
back.
live with this now.
Luckily, it was finger and not something else.
I was not gonna pick up the ball with something
You
else.
never know, यार.
Yeah, I mean, you never know.
कभी
what people
कभी
do.
ऑलराउंडर तो होगा.
ये हाथ नहीं यूज करूंगा
नहीं. No wonder they asked for new ball after that.
with the seam.
Let's start. Let's start about our little interview, which is
Yeah.
important also.
Oh, yeah.
So we have to go back to Amol's life. I want to talk about IIT very in depth. I'm very
Achha.
fascinated by your IIT because
I've forgotten the depth of
नहीं
it though.
नहीं
but-
नहीं ये एक नाइंसाफी है if you don't mind, which is the person has gone to IIT, conquered IIT, got a job, and then said F off
Yeah.
to all that.
So a lot of people say this thing ना कि क्या seat waste कर दिया.
हाँ.
A lot of people have that complaint.
केजरीवाल
that
जी
I
भी ऐसा
wasted a
किया,
seat.
but I would never say it on his face. हाँ.
I eventually came up with an answer to that.
हाँ.
कि भाई seat waste नहीं किया मैंने because at that time I didn't know that I wanted to do something else.
हम्म.
In fact, now the job that I would have wasted, I'm not wasting. Philosophy.
Nice.
Right? So the
मेरा पास
whoever-
एक bent उंगली है.
मैं अपना
दिखाओ?
उंगली से काम चला रहा हूँ. But whoever that person was who lost out on that seat because of me has a job now.
Or not.
Which is or not.
Or worse
कोई तो
still,
कर रहा होगा
that
वो
guy
job.
became an actor.
Probably. Yeah.
And today, let
because
me-
IIT में नहीं हुआ.
Exactly.
तो अब मैं एक्टर बन जाता हूँ and मैं IIT में हुआ अब मैं एक्टर बन
ये
जाता हूँ.
कर्मा है ना, the karmic
Yeah,
circle is always there's some way of meeting at some
Sometimes I
point.
meet people here who maybe gave the exam, wanted to try out for
Hmm.
IIT. I'm like, bro, मतलब हम लोग आए समझ में आता है भाई.
What's, where I come from is a very big thing if you give an IIT exam.
Yeah,
Your
yeah.
kid is really special. First you give the exam, forget acceptance. So
Yeah.
the fact कि confidence है कि exam देने में
देना.
option है.
Yeah.
But that's also reaching that level means the guy's got a special ability, talent. Then you narrow it down to actually getting selected and
Yeah,
all
yeah.
that.
No, and I also got a rank which was very surprising for me.
what was the ranking?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
show
was
off
very
यार.
guess,
मैं कुछ बोला भी नहीं.
नहीं आए हैं स्मार्टली तो बोल के जाते
हाँ
हैं.
बहुत beautifully subtly डाल दिया.
No, I don't know how
Slower
I
one.
just came up in the top 250 in the country.
Wow.
And, I didn't even work that
उंगली दिखाओ, सर
hard.
को उंगली दिखाओ सब लोग.
उतना तो मैंने पढ़ाई भी नहीं किया था. अगर
नहीं,
करता,
नहीं,
अगर
सपना में आया था.
अगर मैं उतना पढ़ाई कर लेता तो क्या
Number
होता
one.
फिर पता नहीं.
Number
you never know. Number one. This is straight. This is straight. Yeah,
Yeah.
thankfully, this is still straight.
I'm fascinated by people if they can think back to their lives, where you are today, you're a successful actor and, you're doing all kinds of different things. But when you were studying, in IIT, did you have? There's no way you would put your head together.
Not at all.
एक दिन में यहाँ
Not
से
at all.
वहाँ तक जाएगा and all that.
Not at all, because this is not
it would
even
not
an
make
example or a
sense.
reference of
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
No,
yeah.
there's no कि अरे some one person has done it in the past. Maybe I can also do it. There's no thought. Not professionally. I was acting in college, but
Yeah.
in the plays and inter-college.
But it's like a
intra-college.
hobby you do.
It's like a hobby you do.
The 3 girls in IIT, you want to impress them.
Yeah.
अब तो 5-6 है.
Yeah. उसमें से 2 impress हो भी गई थी.
Oh, I'm sure, यार.
So I was very happy with that. I was quite satisfied with my artistic.
Did you call them with the finger?
उस time पे.
Sorry.
उस time पे normal था ये सब. It's a very
वो
recent.
normal था तब. हाँ, sorry.
हाँ. तो अभी ये तो recent additions हैं जो मैंने करवाया है. AI.
Not AI. No relationship will forget you. इस उंगली के बाद. I mean, let's face it. It's a unique cheese.
And after this interview, probably
My
like,
God,
I'll get
really.
DMs.
People will only talk to you about this now.
Yeah.
You will win the national award. And so, sir,
Or-
पहला question national के बाद. Second question.
For different kinds of skills.
हाँ.
But yeah, so you were right. When I was in IIT, I never thought कि इसका कुछ professional endeavor होने वाला है,
हाँ.
because there were friends of mine playing hockey or debating. They were not becoming hockey players or
Hmm.
professional debaters.
Hmm.
So yeah, so no thought at all at that time. It's only after after IIT I started working. That was boring.
The job.
The
That's the
job
job.
was boring.
हाँ,
It's for first jobs, yeah. First jobs, everyone hates their first jobs.
Mhm.
Because
They
then-
come and recruit you, na?
No, they come and recruit you, but then you have to wake up early in the morning, get ready, wear certain kinds of clothes, go to office. That you're not used to that lifestyle.
Mhm.
You've been in college for 4 years, not caring about all these things. Class gaye, nahi gaye, nobody cares.
Mhm.
But office, you have to care how you dress, how you speak.
Mhm.
So there are rules to follow. I think it takes time for people to get used to that kind of
The
life.
discipline that you got away from.
हाँ, तो वो
I don't understand that because if you joined IIT, firstly, you must have been a super student, pretty highly disciplined to get in.
But
उसके बाद
that's
ऐसा तो
mostly
cakewalk भी
self-discipline.
नहीं है. Once you're there, you have to study.
I mean, very honestly, once you're inside, it's a little easier.
जुगाड़
To get in
वो
is
प्यून के
difficult.
साथ.
You may have been coming first in your class for your life, school life.
In
But
before
now in
IIT.
IIT, there are 60 people in the class. Somebody has to come last,
हाँ.
right? So somebody has to take that responsibility. कि अभी 60th कौन आएगा? ठीक है, we're all used to coming first.
Who is the 6 years least intelligent guy?
in that thing.
हाँ.
So there are people failing inside IIT also. I didn't fail a course thankfully.
हम्म.
Although I was told that I will, because dramatics club में जो जाता है उसका एक course तो fail होता ही है, ऐसा record था.
We had a
So-
bad chap to it. If you
हाँ,
had
so I
dramatics club-
like with the clean chit
Hmm.
I came out, which was an achievement in itself. But it's not as demanding as it is when you are preparing for IIT.
What was life like now that you mentioned it? Like you said कि corporate में obviously suddenly you have to groom yourself, get
Yeah.
up, follow hours and all that. What was your day like in IIT?
Like, there could have been days I know people who who you didn't see for days because they didn't come out of their rooms.
But they are
didn't
building up
bathe.
bridges today and all, yaar.
They are. And it's crazy because not just bridges, building the
Buildings,
technology,
technology,
apps,
everything.
They are CEOs.
Yeah.
People have seen each other scratching not each other's balls, but their own balls.
Amol,
Maybe each
Amol.
other's also. It's a boys' hostel. It's an engineering college. There's all kind of stuff happening. And,
Yeah. It is a boys' hostel.
it
so
is a
you-
boys' hostel, and there are there are less inhibitions
हाँ.
in that
After
age.
some time you give a
when-
flying FUCK.
Yeah, like you go ragging, wagging, or some में people have seen each other
Ragging कैसा
naked.
था
And
तब?
ragging, thankfully, I escaped because I was a day scholar.
But standard क्या था ragging? Was it as
It was
bad as
hard,
what when
it
I was
hard.
young? Or
No, it was bad. Like in fact, I think our batch was there was some news that broke out.
oh no.
When our batch was getting ragged, and then some guidelines started to come in. And then after 2-3
You
years,
didn't get
I think-
ragged.
I didn't get ragged because I was not in the hostel. I was a day scholar
हाँ.
because I'm from Delhi.
Hmm.
So if you were in the hostel, because it's post the class hours,
time,
no, it's happening in the evenings and the nights when things get really dark.
Did you rag anyone later on?
No. I didn't. So what happened funnily was that first 10-15 days, so I didn't go to the hostel
Mm-hmm.
because I knew that this is what is happening.
अच्छा,
As-
there's a time period.
There's
उसमें-
a 15-20 days are hard,
Hmm.
like in college. In fact, as hard as some people think, कि यार, I've come to a bad place. This is a bad decision in life, and we
Hmm.
thought IIT is going to be some glorious place, and ये तो बहुत खराब जगह है.
Hmm.
People are really torturing you mentally, emotionally. And I could see the faces of my classmates, no, because they were getting ragged all night and then coming to classes in the morning. I didn't want to be in their situation, so I went nowhere near the hostel.
Hmm.
Especially from Delhi, if you're from a school like I was from DPS RK Puram, so
Oh,
you know all these things can get you more
अच्छा,
attention.
snob था. ये सब
मैंने
नहीं
I was the
पता है।
science student in the वहाँ पे हम लोग रैग होते थे
हाँ।
in DPS because we were the
The nerds,
nerd
yeah.
sciences.
Hmm.
But in a place like IIT that gets you more attention. So ragging में if you're saying oh Delhi से oh DPS से आप थोड़ा side में आ जाइए.
Special treatment.
Special treatment.
हाँ.
So I stayed away from the hostel.
Hmm.
So after 15-20 days when things started to calm down, I thought now I'll go and visit the hostel because you do get attached to a hostel. They call you attachees.
मतलब?
All the activities you do, you have to represent a hostel, right? So if
okay,
you in the
it's like
4
a
years,
house in school and
so
college.
even if you don't have a room in the hostel, yeah, it's like a house. So
Huh.
even if you don't have a room in that hostel, you are a part of that hostel.
Hmm.
So everything that hostel specific is going to happen. Your football team, dramatics, everything is that
So
hostel.
that's your tribe basically.
That's your tribe. You
Huh.
belong, and you can get a room later if you want in your second year, third year, fourth year in that hostel. For 4 years now, you are that hostel. That is your identity, and there is some kind of tribalism also, and people fight, not fight. No, IIT में
Competitive
क्या
तो
fight?
ठीक है, but
Competitive
as long as
है.
nobody beats up other people, it's
नहीं,
fine.
IIT में किसी को आता नहीं है meeting करना, नहीं आता है seriously.
I'll electrocute you, beta.
हाँ,
वो सब है ना?
it's also kind of looked down upon. Violence is looked down upon.
अच्छा,
I think it's a world where people think they are, and but they also think they are very intelligent and they're the creme de la creme.
Intellectuals fight on another level.
Right.
We
तो उनको
don't-
लगता है कि if you're having to raise your hand, you're a smaller person.
Pansy.
Pansy or whatever. Like
I don't know. I don't know what the word is. Sorry,
the,
about the word.
the competition is intelligence. Who's smarter than the other?
Uh-huh.
So this is not seen as smartness. Somebody who uses physical violence is not.
You could have done finger punja, but you had not broken your finger yet.
Yeah.
Uh.
But now I can. Now maybe I can go back and
Show off.
re-enter
Yeah.
IIT. If I can crack that exam now, I don't know. I'm not
Of course,
sure.
you can crack that exam.
I'm not sure. It's been a while.
Huh. So just complete the story. So you were there in the hostel.
So
then
I
you go
went
20
after
days.
15, 20 days. So I thought कि things have calmed down now. Now I can go. But because my batchmates had been ragged for those 15 days and they were carrying the scars and the trauma of their ragging,
They told
they
you.
wanted to rag me. My own batchmates wanted to rag me.
Oh.
कि now it's happened to us. तू कैसे बच गया? अभी we will rag you. But that's not as serious. They are your batchmates. You're not scared of
So
them.
it's half-hearted ragging.
If it's half-hearted, they are also half-hearted.
Okay,
I am
गाना
also
गाओ, that kind of
half-hearted.
thing.
कि ठीक है अब कर लो क्या है whatever. They'll make some stupid jokes. They'll give you some stupid activities to do. And it's just numbers. There are many of you, but you are my batchmates. I'm not scared of you. So a senior, because it happened like one scary senior came to the balcony and he saw that this thing was happening niche and our batch was here and said, "Oh, कौन है ये? Who's he?" He said, "वो हमारे batch का है. वो उसकी ragging नहीं हुई ना तो हम लोग ragging कर रहे हैं." So he said, "ऊपर भेज दो."
Oh.
And these guys got scared for me. They said, "तू जा." I said, "What happened? अभी तुम लोग मेरी ragging कर रहे थे. वो मेरे को बुला रहा है तो जाते हैं." He said, नहीं पागल हो गया, बहुत खतरनाक है. And suddenly they were on my side. And they made me escape. Because that guy like, भेज दो, ऊपर भेज दो.
उसके बाद क्या होगा? The guy will say, कहाँ है वो?
हाँ वो अब they will deal with it कि आया नहीं आया मुझे नहीं पता but
What beautiful friends, they took the beating for you.
maybe किसी को पढ़ा होगा but I was also like maybe that guy forgot. It was a very filmy scene like one shirtless guy has come to the balcony is like इसको ऊपर भेज दो.
This is IIT? Oh, this is one ilaka in Mumbai with some smuggler is holding a conference.
But that's what it feels like in the beginning. Like you feel like this is not something you expected or imagined going to IIT. आपको लगा सब वहाँ पे. In fact, I'd be the cool guy. सब nerdies होंगे वहाँ पे.
What do you
Everybody
dress
thinks
like?
that. It's like college.
Just wear anything or you're...
Anything.
People are looking
there's
at
no
what they
uniform. There's no. There's nothing. There's nothing. People, which is why people have long hair, beard. They don't bathe for days, and all that kind of stuff also happens. Then there are some very diligent students who wear their shirts still here and have short cropped hair. So there's all kinds of people
were you?
in IIT. I was the cool guy in IIT. But
How sweet.
no, that's the funny thing because I was the same person
Yeah.
who was in school, in a school like TVS RK Puram, where I was the nerdy,
Correct.
uncool.
Switch and now
I
you're...
just switched a
you're
few
hip guy.
kilometers. I
Yeah.
just went from this campus to that campus. Didn't have to do anything. But suddenly I was the cool guy because from being from Delhi, a big city.
But that's amazingly true, no?
It is.
एक तालाब से दूसरा तालाब में इतना फर्क है. You go, you just
Suddenly I was the big fish.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh wow,
They're all looking at you.
I had a vehicle.
Amol bhai ka jaisa.
And friends who are girls and all this was fascinating.
The few girls
for
that were there, you were the
like
big
from
market.
school and all. If I was hanging out with them, if they would come.
Because you had
and-
girl culture growing up.
Yeah, I mean, I was in a co-ed school. I
Correct.
had friends in school in
बहुत सारे
DPS.
लोग के पास वैसा they have not even seen a girl in their school for 10 years or
Yeah,
20
some of
years
those
and come.
boys
Yeah.
went to a boys' school.
Yeah.
Maybe they didn't have a sibling who was a sister or anything. So many of them didn't know how to speak to a woman.
Yeah.
And which is what the jokes are on. Oh, all these engineers and
Yeah.
IITians, they
Yeah.
don't know how to deal with the opposite gender. But बेचारा क्या करेगा, उसको मिला ही नहीं, मौका ही नहीं मिला है उसको सीखने का. For him, women are some species that he reads about. You know, we didn't have the tapes of the world then, but
We don't know,
some
but they are
version of
right, I
that.
think.
Which is?
The women are some species that we don't
I mean,
know.
they are, but they're not as
What is
uniform as they think.
No, but I know what you're saying because it's so amazing to see when I went to college for the first time, those who come from co-ed background and those who don't. You know, the non-guys, they're staring.
Yeah,
They're like, "Ye kahan se aa gaya?" Especially pretty girls and all, they're going mad, you know.
Yeah,
But the co-ed guys, it's like a little bit more, you know, controlled
Used to
behavior.
it, I'm used to
We're all
it, yeah.
dirty boys at the end of the day, but you know, yeah, it's a big difference. Don't
yeah.
laugh, sir. You're 53 years old. Calm down. तू कॉलेज के पास जाएगा
He's
तो पुलिस को
really
बुलाएगा. पुलिस को बुलाएगा.
riffing on that joke. Yeah, we're all dirty boys. कोई तो सच बोला.
I don't know if we can cut to instead of Abhay sir, but imagine there's always one guy outside these colleges and whatever who never leaves. You know, the guy keeps coming back, attends
Yeah.
everything, and
Yeah.
at the age of 50, he's still there and stuck in that 18-year-old head.
And does he still think that these girls are my peers?
Yeah, intro. In my time, I know you guys use the word intro. Intro was big
Intro
word,
होता था,
yaar.
intro होता था.
Dena, intro. And intro, to telling the other person who doesn't know the girl to give the intro is even funnier. Between the two of you, you don't know who the girl is, and doing the intro, the girl's already scared. Oh, what a world. we live in.
Intro होता था. But some, but not there was वो वाला boy girl वाला ragging उतना नहीं था.
हाँ.
मतलब कि वो go and propose to her. That
But you
was-
guys invented that. I remember I have interviewed lots of IITs, 3 IITs actually, in the 90s, and this non-girl concept, which is horrible in today's world, we can't use. One guy told me, we have a Despos Society of India.
Okay.
Every IIT has it. So we went and we shot these guys. They talk about how they don't see any girls. So don't let your mother or grandmother come on campus. हमने लड़की को देखा भी नहीं. We are a little, you know, hungry and crazy and all that. I won't get into it. But to cut a long story short, I said, but what about the-" She's like, there are girls, there are non-girls, and there are girls. This is the concept.
these kind of jokes existed.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
When
I
you take-
also
you're part
don't
of this.
mention some of the.
Yeah.
They become like unmentionable conversations and ideas. But वो boys hostel में you don't know right from
Did you have a
wrong.
girlfriend?
In IIT,
Yeah.
not. I mean, I had a few flings, if I may say.
ये कैसा सवाल? What is this answer?
I mean, it was not a girlfriend boyfriend thing. Like, oh, this is my girlfriend. Like, as a
You
relation,
had
official
physical
relationship.
relations
Like
with
situationship जो आज बोलते हैं,
हाँ.
वो उस time पे था, but we didn't have a term for it.
You're ahead of your time, sir.
Yeah.
Well ahead of your time.
Always been. I was the first person to have like spiky hair in the 90s.
Why-
and slim jeans.
Prithvi is laughing. He's bald.
No, but it's happened to me because a couple of times like something.
Spiky है मतलब वो,
मतलब कि I got a haircut, it was too short and it became spiky and everybody was making fun of me. And 2 years later, all of them
वो copying.
had
Trendsetter.
spiky hair. Yeah.
हाँ.
And similarly with baggy jeans, because in the 90s everybody was wearing slim jeans.
Yeah.
I had pants which were very loose, and they were all making fun of me. 2 years later, they were all wearing baggy jeans. So I was like, bro,
तो अब
I
ये
mean,
तो slim fit
eventually,
है.
ये जो भी आज होगा ना, वो 2 साल बाद will become the trend.
Unbelievable.
I mean, but we come back to slim now.
Fair. I'm learning.
Now
from
everybody's
the,
wearing
I'm learning
baggy.
from the master.
Everybody is wearing baggy now,
हाँ.
so अब ये होगा. Right? It's a loose, slightly
Correct.
oversized clothes
हाँ,
are
हाँ,
in
हाँ.
right now.
Let
You
me-
must have seen on Instagram. I mean,
Instagram.
Instagram.
Have you not seen this?
You don't see people with clothes on
But there's a
Instagram.
thing called Pornhub. I stopped there only. Instagram कौन देखेगा बैंक? Some guy saying, "Hi, my lovely wife's birthday. Jyotika, I love you." Fuck that. I've got Jyotika on Pornhub. I don't see this shit. I apologize.
To all the Jyotikas out there.
I know.
And their husbands.
Shouldn't take real names. It's always somebody getting uncomfortable.
Like somebody
Ah, fuck.
whose wife is Jyotika.
You're the cool guy. You tell me.
No, he's going to comment
Hey,
on
boss,
this.
boss. All right, let's get into the career now. So, no, quickly. So, you go, you get a job. If I remember correctly, so IT guys basically get recruited. Then they get normally the cream of jobs, etc., with high salaries.
Like campus placements and all
placement
that
will be.
happens. Yeah.
And so I'm presuming it was a good job and all that. And this is
It was
what
a
you
decent
studied
job.
all your
It
life
was a
for.
decent job. And yeah, it was kind of like, I mean, they have days of placement. So the first day is the best jobs. Best jobs, माने best packages.
Correct.
That's how, at least at that age, you're looking at the quality of a job.
Okay.
कि पैसा कितना मिल रहा है. So the banking jobs and everything. First day, second day, third day. So I didn't get a job on the first 3 days. And every day you're getting a little nervous because some of your friends are getting recruited.
Peer pressure, हाँ.
अभी कब लगने वाला है, मेरा कब लगने वाला है. So I finally got a job on the 4th day, which was a consulting company, which was a decent job
Delhi
to
में?
get. The job was in Pune.
Okay.
I was an American company, just opened an office in Pune. We were like the second batch or third batch of students they were hiring in India for the Indian office. So it was a decent company, well known. Now it's become huge in India also. They have
अरे
some
तूने
thousands
क्या
of
किया
employees.
यार actor? You would have been MD of this super high MNC worth billions यार.
But बहुत सालों तक फिर ऑफिस जाना पड़ता सुबह शर्ट पहन के यहाँ पे भी मैं शर्ट पहन के सुबह सुबह आया
हाँ
हूँ
यार शर्ट पहन के
बट
जा.
ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज माय चॉइस
हाँ.
राइट यू इट वाज नॉट लाइक समथिंग आई हैड टू डू as the rules of this podcast that
True,
you know,
true,
please
yeah.
wear formals and
Absolutely. In fact, we sent you a letter saying you want to come in just sandals, it's fine, whatever.
just sandals.
हाँ. We have all kinds of guests.
Then we don't need any conversations. It's not a podcast then.
Will you be talking to yourself? I'll be most uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So you took the job.
I took the job. I went to Pune.
We went to Pune, and again, please understand, I don't want to ask you how much, but I'm saying these are very, very normally lucrative packages from normal that age group. Of if you look across India, other people in that age group are earning.
Yeah.
Also, the fact that you got this IIT chap now, so it's
Yeah,
going
yeah.
up. So and you were doing your plays and all for fun, your hobby, whatever at IIT and all that.
Yeah.
But where is the idea of how does the transition happen, or rather, how do you get a taste of your?
I think
new
when
career?
I started working and there was no play to do or no performance to do, suddenly there was a emptiness inside me. It's something I started missing because for the last 3-4 years, 3-4 years I had been doing this and energy focus and motivation was towards this thing about whether we were reading plays or performing or preparing or there was always something happening and then suddenly it was just an office and a job and a salary and I was not getting time to do a play. I did try to find some theatre groups in Pune, but that weekend theatre is not fun. Hindi English theatre is not very, or at least at that time was not great in Pune. Marathi theatre is outstanding.
And less troops and people. So fully Marathi, yeah.
Yeah, so the Marathi theatre is outstanding, but I didn't know how to speak Marathi. I could watch and enjoy maybe, even catching like 50% of it. So that, I think that feeling of, oh shit, I really want to do a play, I really want to do this, I really want to do this, started to build inside me. And of course, this getting used to this lifestyle of office and feeling like the corporate slave and all those Imtiaz Ali
इतना
movies.
जल्दी सर वो कब
शुरू में ही
10-20
होता
साल
है
के बाद होता है
नहीं in fact my theory is that you get used to it in 2-3 years and then the next wave comes after 10-15 years when
so
you realize
conditioned
that
after some time before that you already
because everybody was hating the job.
IIT का wildlife भी था ना
IIT का wildlife था, everybody started working. There's
a
little bit of confidence also कि like when I quit my job people were scared ना कि भाई वापस job मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी but if you have an IIT chop, like you said, there is some confidence.
It's amazing because you've grown all your life. You're probably topping your, in Delhi and all that. You're topping schools. You're doing very well. You said first list of 200, 250 people. That's the best brains of the country. And then you're sort of thinking of throwing it all away after all those years of preparation. That's the thing I find really hard to understand.
So I think in my head,
mentality में जो conditioning है, it's very impossible to think beyond that.
Yeah. So I wanted to break away from the middle class. This thing also, and it was. Honestly, it was not like जैसा बहुत actors बोलते हैं ना कि मैं आ गया बॉम्बे अब मैं कुछ करके दिखाऊंगा. It was not that for me. It was like I want to do this for a while. Theatre, not even like films and shows.
So
I didn't think about
theatre.
I quit for theatre.
Where there's no money.
Where there's no money. So I
so
thought maybe
you're not building bridges and all that.
Yeah, नहीं तो हाँ ऐसा loss making enterprise
होता है.
What did your parents say? And they were worried. But उससे ज़्यादा क्या बोल? I was in Pune, they were in Delhi. They couldn't even beat me or whatever. It was like long distance stress. And my idea was that I'll take a break. Maybe I'll do this for 6 months.
को बताया कि I'll come back.
It's a sabbatical or whatever. I mean, I didn't give them
that's a good
enough
idea,
time.
actually.
My boss gave me his business card also. He was worried for me. He said, if you face any troubles in life, please call me. If अगर job नहीं मिलती है तो I'll try and help you. Because people didn't understand. Either you go to a different company, get a better
salary. I wouldn't understand. IIT grad, super student, everything perfect, got a good corporate job, and he said, मैं actor बन जाएगा. वो भी films में नहीं. I just do theatre because I love the art form.
It was a little. Some people didn't believe me. Some people thought. Some of my bosses thought I was lying that I had gotten a job in another company. और नहीं कंपनी में मिल गया जॉब इसको कहीं और सैलरी मिल रहा है कंपटीशन में जा रहा है बता नहीं रहा है इज जस्ट मेकिंग अप दिस स्टोरी ऐसे कौन करता है थिएटर के लिए कौन करता है ब्रो मतलब थिएटर तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं सो आई मीन आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू देम बिकॉज़ maybe
where do you get the guts to just do this? So you had no work.
No idea.
You had no acting work yet.
No, not professional. I just like done
And you
college.
said, I'll take a break and take a
I'll take a
chance."
break, yeah.
Wow,
And
not
I,
bad.
I could have stayed back in Pune if I found something there. But I ended up meeting some people in Bombay. I ended up going to Prithvi Theatre. It's a fascinating
usual,
place.
yeah,
And then I was like, oh, wow, yahi hai.
Suddenly you find the people that you want to be with.
Yeah, this is where I want to be. This is my world. You know, artists and art and theatre and all that. Now I know
तू शर्ट निकाल के
कि कितना
बैठ गया
पॉलिटिक्स
उधर।
यहाँ पे भी होता है लोगों को लगता है कॉर्पोरेट में पॉलिटिक्स है आर्ट वर्ल्ड इज प्योर एंड ऑल नाउ आई एम लाइक वो यहाँ तो नेक्स्ट लेवल है बिकॉज़ इट्स सब्जेक्टिव यू कैन जस्ट से आई शिट even if it's the best thing in the world if you don't like it you don't like it
True.
so that is yeah but in the beginning I was a little enamored by this world of art and I thought this is my place, this is where I belong. I don't belong to that office. Yeah, saying all schedule and
kharch?
meetings and this thing. And kharcha, I thought I'll do something. I'll do a part-time job. Maybe I'll teach or something. Like there was some kind of.
How old were you at this point?
Like 22.
22.
Yeah.
IIT grad. Huh.
Yeah. So I
Thinking I'll teach now.
But me. No, I think
Poor parents. I'm just thinking.
IIT coaching and all of that.
I wish
is,
I could get into their heads for 5 minutes at that point.
I was just thinking of part-time jobs to make money while I do theatre because I knew that theatre might not be, especially when I came to Bombay and learnt about the rent. Yeah, somebody took me to a room. Room भी नहीं बोलेंगे, whatever little
room.
balcony
एक
in
मेज,
Bandra.
एक मेज, उसके ऊपर एक cushion.
And he said, this is 25,000 rupees.
Yeah.
I said,
You
but
should do stand up on this, yeah.
yeah, it
The
was
experience of coming
bizarre.
in,
It was
yeah.
bizarre.
But they'll make it sound great though, huh?
Yeah, because in Pune, I was living in a 3-bedroom apartment for 11,000 rupees rent.
Yeah.
And one room was just like extra.
Extra, huh?
And we used to play football in the living room. It was just like that
Typical
kind of size.
Punekars, I tell you.
Right. And
Field पे कौन जाएगा?
suddenly you come to Bombay, like, let me get a room here. Let me find a space for myself. And the rents are crazy. And then you realize, of course, theatre से तो नहीं आने वाला है. Which is when I started
Prithvi, यार.
thinking.
हम 120 seater. What is it? Is it?
Yeah, I used to get paid like 500 rupees for a show.
Huh.
Which is for a show, not for the rehearsals and everything. So you rehearse for a month, you've done like 4 shows, you made 2,000 rupees.
Right.
So वो तो आपका रिहर्सल में रिक्शा में आने जाने में चला गया.
ठीक
और गलती से एक दिन अगर आपने बियर पी ली एक
तो you take the money
और
from
ऊपर चला गया.
सर पैसा भरना पड़ेगा.
थिएटर वाला हो सर.
एक दिन स्टार. Wow.
So yeah, so but somehow which is why I started giving auditions and all. कि चलो audition दिखाते हैं. It was also fun to see that world also, ads and stuff. I got a role in a film.
Wait.
I got an ad.
We'll take a quick break. Now we'll come into how his career takes off. But just let's put this in perspective. So there's a whole point. You've come to Prithvi. You've given up your job at a multinational, which today is billion dollar company, and you have no contacts, no idea, no plan ahead really, and no way to access any funds. So you're just absolutely struggling and living on whatever you can live off, and just hoping.
A little bit of savings that I had from Pune.
Huh?
I mean,
yeah, but that ultimately will dry up at some point.
Yeah, which dried up in 3 months.
There you go.
Yeah.
So this is the story of a man who put his career out there and said, "I'll just take a chance," which I think is very courageous.
The monk
I
who
still
sold
live
his
with
Ferrari.
my mother till today. I've not even bothered to leave.
Because of the rent.
The conservative background, yeah. Rent big cheese. We'll take a break.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
All right. We're just discussing things here about how two of us young men, how we gave up things. I was a member of parliament. I won't mention from where. I just gave up my seat because I wanted to serve the people and realized politics is the wrong way.
Are you the monk who sold his Ferrari?
मैं फेरारी का कार क्लीनर साफ सफाई वाला
बेच दिया वो भी बेच दिया छोड़ दिया वो भी
spiritual man.
जॉब छोड़ दिया फरारी नहीं साफ करेंगे ओनली मारुति.
By the way, this is not an example for young people out there. If you got your IIT thing and you graduated and you got a good job, please do your thing. This is a once in a lifetime experience where somebody goes.
I went to a lot of these engineering colleges call me and they want me to give a speech or give a TEDx.
It's you're the wrong guy, yaar.
And I said, that follow your passion spiel, I'm not going to
Nahi.
give. I am not going to give. I don't believe in that.
You're the guy who should talk to young kids when they're really young and say, boss, don't worry. Believe in yourself.
Yeah, but I
Because you
still
do
tell
your own
people,
thing.
nahi, study. I am that guy who said, nahi, padhai karo.
Yeah.
I'm not at the school where I see a lot of people, na, कि जब exam आते हैं, so suddenly everybody is posting, कि don't worry, it's okay to fail. I said, no bro, let them study.
Yeah.
क्यों
It's not
उनको
a gift. Wow.
अभी एग्जाम से 2 दिन पहले बोल रहा हूँ कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है मुझे देखो अरे आपको हो गया आपका अच्छा हो गया ठीक है बट लेट देम स्टडी ना अगर नहीं हुआ
हाँ.
मेहनत के बाद देन यू कैन टेल देम कि ओके देयर आर अदर
ये
एवेन्यूज
बहुत फनी है ना, आप चीफ गेस्ट बन गए कोई इंजीनियरिंग स्कूल में, बुलाया सर की कहानी क्या है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, आईटी 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 आईटी, एंड फाइनली बट सर यू आर अ फेमस एक्टर. How do you explain it?
the teachers get confused
Yeah.
the kids still know
No,
you
because you're successful and like a name, right? So I understand them wanting
Yeah.
you there, but when you're talking about journey, your journey is very different.
that's what so they think that okay if the teachers don't know me and the kids are like oh we love him can we
हाँ.
call him and they
हाँ.
call me
हाँ.
and then they get to know कि अच्छा IIT भी किया so they get very confused because then they're like what is the message
Yeah,
what is the
What-
message my students are getting?
There's no
Because-
message.
So the
There's no
teachers and the
message.
principals get very confused.
Yeah.
They're nice. They're happy to meet you,
Yeah.
but they're like,
Can you imagine you leave and next day all the kids come and say, I want to be actor, I want to be actor, I want to be actor.
I must have happened in my family
Yeah.
because in the extended family, no, when you're growing up and you're a good student and you go to IIT, I'm sure there were many cousins and distant cousins who were being told कि ऐसा बनना है.
Yeah.
You know, अमोल भाई बनना है, अमोल भाई बनना है. And then one day they get a call saying, अच्छा अमोल भाई तो एक्टर बन गए, बॉम्बे चले गए. Then how do you suddenly tell the kid कि नहीं बनना है, अमोल भाई की तरह नहीं बनना
अमोल
है.
भाई का पहला इनिंग्स.
हाँ, उतना वहां तक करना है उसके आगे नहीं करना है. Because now I'm sure, I mean it's very natural for somebody to now have this thought कि अमोल भाई कर सकते हैं तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं भी चला जाऊँ क्या बॉम्बे.
Which is also okay. They
Which
should
okay.
have that thought also.
Yeah, why
That
not?
You
Very
can,
natural.
You can do anything. It's there.
True.
But the fact of the matter is a romantic thought. So let's not overdo it because it's unlikely. Especially if you've got a good seat in a, whatever, tangible job coming. I mean, like me, I gave up. I was the head of this thing, Siemens.
Who's?
Why? Why यार? मैं सोचा कि we intellectual audience would just say the word and leave it there. नहीं.
No, मुझे लगा कि यार this is a fun podcast. So I'll have some fun.
Audience is stupid. SIEMENS. So corporate. We're just kidding. We don't know anything. Now let's get into your career. So there you're just drifting, not drifting. You're doing your thing, whatever. But there's who knows you, how do you
Theatre.
network? हाँ वो तो है. Did you mean Gopal
That's
there?
what my parents said.
हाँ, did
हाँ
you?
वो तो है, काम क्या कर रहे हो?
हाँ.
That's what they ask you.
But
no?
what else I can imagine. I'm a parent, so I can totally understand that part of it also. Also because
Yeah.
of the fact that you gave up the job. It'd
No,
be
also for them to explain to other people what is Amol doing.
शर्म की
Right?
बात.
Other people come and say, क्या हो गया अमोल? क्या कर रहा है अभी?
He's
So,
doing well.
He's doing theatre.
Theatre.
Theatre में क्या करना होता है?
हाँ.
So it's not seen as a job
Yeah.
in North India specifically. तो वो मुश्किल था उनके लिए. I think it was just apart from their own worry, it was also social awkwardness for them. कि now what do we tell people? Yeah, do something that we can tell
And
people.
there'll always be a Mr. Sharma whose kid is doing really well, who'll want to
Yeah.
have that conversation.
Yeah.
Did I tell you Pratap is heading a bank and he's only 27 and a half, yaar. Oh,
Yeah.
Amol ka kya haal hai?
No, and there were people who told my parents, I think, or kind of hinted at the fact that, you should not let him do this. Like, be more strict or, exert your authority and all. So there were these kind of advice also coming to them, but they were sweet, so they didn't.
To be honest, it's a fair point. People were worried. You because you come from a certain thing, it's very clear, and then you suddenly decide, boss, मेरे को ये नहीं करना है.
And even for the many people still have that reaction. I remember shooting with Manoj sir, Mr. Manoj Bajpayee. This was in 2013-14. I was shooting a film with him and we were getting along. We were in Hyderabad 5-6 days. I mean, we were there for 15 days, but on the 5th-6th day, he must have heard from someone, some AD. And we were doing a car sequence. So he's driving, I'm sitting on the passenger seat and we're taking a
You're not
break.
driving.
I am not
Dad को
driving.
बुलाओ.
Yeah. वो film में script में नहीं दिया उन्होंने मुझे, sadly. But then after that, I
Breaking
did a
my
lot of road trip things where I got to drive.
Huh.
So at one point, I think we were just chatting and he said, turned to me and said, hey, मुझे कोई बोल रहा था तू IIT से है? So I was like,
Lack of
हाँ.
respect.
I said, हाँ sir, मैं IIT से हूँ. IIT से. मैंने कहा हाँ मैं IIT
वो same
से.
IIT.
इसे फिर छोड़ दिया तूने?
हाँ.
मैंने कहा हाँ सर एक्टिंग मेरा बेटा होता ना बहनचोद इतना मारता है तुझे. I was such a genuine, sweetly he said this, but it's a genuine feeling कि क्या कर रहा है तू?
That's the
मतलब
first.
हम लोग कर रहे हैं ठीक है यार वो है तू क्यों कर रहा
I
है?
went through the same thing when I read the thing. I was just thinking, the biodata, because that part we didn't really think about that part. We didn't think about the acting part. and it's not that common. I know that you guys at YRF, there are a few of them, but
TVF.
sorry, TF. YRF is what? Sorry. Alzheimer's, Baba. YRF, TVF. How do you correct the old man? Where's your Siemens? What is this nonsense? Okay, let's get into your career now. So then, how did you get that ads? Ads came first.
Ads I started doing, which was running my house. So theater ke saath saath.
That's important. So theater se ho gaya na. Somebody saw you on stage.
Somebody saw me on stage, and I think a little bit of respect you get if you're a theater actor. Sometimes there's a brief कि theater actors को बुलाया जाए audition के लिए.
I know actor को चाहिए.
हाँ, कि actors चाहिए, theater actors.
So mean to models, yeah.
No, but and it is always a little bit of a flux because in ads there are models who call themselves models. There are people like me, theatre actors who like to call themselves actors. Sometimes they'll call you a model. You're like, नहीं मैं model नहीं हूँ, मैं actor हूँ. या मैं actor नहीं हूँ, मैं model हूँ. This is all that thing happens a little bit there. Sometimes they just call you talent.
Is Milind Soman a model or an actor?
I mean, he has
Arjun
to.
Rampal, model या actor?
He has to self-identify.
आप बताओ.
It's not
John
for
Abraham,
me to identify.
John Abraham
that.
model है या actor?
This is the age of self-identification. Whatever they identify as, I will accept it.
Amitabh Bachchan?
I think he would identify as an actor.
Actor first.
But there was probably a phase in his life when he was also a singer because he was singing a lot of his own songs. So there were probably phases when people were doing multiple things. I lost track of what I was saying.
You telling us how you got the job in an ad?
So I started getting ads.
पहला ad कौन सा था?
पहला ad was for Hindustan Times.
Oh, nice.
Hindustan Times campaign where there was a full campaign. This is 15 years ago where people were hitting each other with the newspaper.
Yeah, I think I remember.
So I was in one of those. There were
like
many. There were small 15 seconders, many films. I was in one of them.
The birth of a great career. Hindustan Times, the newspaper smacking a guy.
Chrome Pictures.
कितना पैसा मिला? Do you remember?
7,000 rupees.
7,000 rupees
for the ad.
When you call your parents and say against the salary which he was getting,
but see, it's also weird because it's a one-day job. Right, so by that respect, this also sounds like एक दिन का काम का.
अगर second day में भी काम मिलता है तो.
Correct, but some relative might be calculating. Oh, one day,
7,030
days. Okay.
Wow.
So, and my co-actor was Hussain Dalal. Do you know Hussain Dalal?
Yeah.
He's a famous writer now. Us time pe he was also a theatre actor.
We haven't had Hussain.
A very funny guy, and now a renowned, busy actor.
Call him and tell him to come on our show now.
I'll tell him. But he's too busy. He's too big.
So big, yeah.
Very big. I'm telling you.
But what about you then?
We started together in the ad, but now he's just a big guy.
Okay.
Yeah, he's writing big films and all that. Now he has a conglomerate.
Just insulting us.
नहीं
आएगा. Don't even bother. इतना बड़ा है यार.
Yeah, so Hussain and I were in the same ad. I think I was smacking him with the newspaper. We were both kids at that time. That was my first ad. Then every 2-3 months I would do an ad which would make sure that I was not dying of
ad
hunger.
circle, the more and more work starts coming.
More and more you see one ad and then they may cast you in another. And
so acting, then I think Rocket Singh.
Rocket Singh was the first film that I was a part of. This
comes through the ads in Prithvi because someone again, who sees you?
No, this was actually even before the ads. This was
audition
the first time.
Audition
karke. I started giving some auditions. I started going for all these auditions that happen in Mada and
Aram Nagar.
Aram Nagar.
The greatest actors have to. Yeah.
I really want to make a zombie film on Aram Nagar. I think.
What a name also.
Yeah, because Aram Nagar में किसी को आराम नहीं है.
नहीं. All tense, unhappy, always searching.
It's a हवा में disappointment की खुशबू है. Like you take a breath and you smell disappointment. Because even if one person is getting the job, 99 are not.
Correct.
So there is more disappointment.
Also, very often they don't tell you anything, no?
Yeah, very often they don't even talk to you.
They don't talk to you. Yeah, so
they just
you feel like a bigger failure because it's so inconsequential.
They don't look at you. This is out.
Out, yeah.
Yeah, and then you whatever your IIT degree and all doesn't matter. It's like आप क्या बोलोगे सर मैं IIT से हूँ. Hey, out. FTI से हो तो बोलो. ये सब मत बोलो. So so that it takes a little bit of it's a bit of a culture shock also because suddenly your respect in those rooms is very low. I realize. I thought हमने फिल्मों में देखा था कि प्यार से बुलाते हैं एक्टर्स को तो सब ऐसे ट्रीट करते हैं आइए बैठिए चाय पीते हैं कुछ नहीं भगा देते हैं वो स्पेशली in that kind of atmosphere.
It's a factory of speed यार.
200 people vying for one thing. हाँ लाइन बोला तो बोला नहीं तो आगे बढ़ो अरे नहीं तुम्हारा शक्ल लगा. Not fit is the word.
That's even more embarrassing before the dialogue also. So ये नहीं हो पाएगा.
No, they look at your face.
They look at each other and
not
say
fit.
It, no? Yeah, look at each other. It's like racism. नहीं हो पाएगा. Out.
yeah. In fact, a friend of mine made a show called Not Fit because it was such an emotional response that actors have to this word, and some people are looking to be called not fit so they can move on and go to the other audition.
Yeah.
So there's like imagine 50 boys of your age standing there, it's like me, fit, no, not fit. So you're like, oh, relieved. At least I don't have to wait. I have been told I'm not fit for this brief, whatever that brief is. Because sometimes you think, why am I not fit if this guy is looking like me and everything? But you can't argue.
Also, if Sanjay Leela Bhansali is making the film, why is Raju and Ramu deciding all this already?
I mean, this is mostly for ads, I think.
I know, but
with this,
even for TV serials, even for features, they call you. You don't know who those guys are. Sometimes it might be a scam also.
It might be.
Rohit Shetty Productions.
I was called for a meeting once for a big film. Like, I went to the office. This is somewhere in Andheri. And that guy, I was at the reception. He came to meet me at the reception and then said, let's sit outside. Outside the reception, in the corridor. He didn't take me inside the office. It was a proper office.
But
this was a casting guy who had called me. He said, "Under room busy hai, let's sit outside." So it was not even like a meeting happening inside the office. It was happening outside, almost in the stairs or whatever. And then he was telling me about this film that he's working on. It's a big film. There are 4 main characters. We've already spoken to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. Nasiruddin Shah.
Wow.
And Sharman Joshi.
Good.
And we're looking for a 4th boy who's a young boy. And your profile fits the thing. But because since all these actors are very senior and you are new and whatever, we'll have to do some workshops. And for the workshop, we'll need a space. And because right now the funds have not started coming in. So it takes like 15,000, 20,000 rupees to book a room for a workshop. So that
this guy must be from IIT.
But I thought it was stupid. I thought it was, if he had said 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, then I would be like, oh, maybe this is an opportunity. The moment he said 15,000 rupees, I said, this is a scam. He's asking for 15,000 rupees for a film that he's making with Amitabh Bachchan, apparently. और इसके पास 15,000 रुपए नहीं है to book a room. And he's saying, वो वापस आ जाएगा. Refund it to you once the money comes. So in that moment, I had to make a call if I'm pursuing this. And I genuinely thought later that if he had said 10 lakhs, then I maybe would have had a second thought saying, maybe I should just take a loan, ask a friend.
Wow.
Maybe this is an opportunity. But 15,000
top
rupees.
IIT.
But
he wants to take a loan to pay the guy, scamster 10 lakhs to do a workshop with the great Amitabh Bachchan in the background who never turn up.
Who knows? But 15,000 rupees पे तो done हो गया था. He said 15,000 as है ही नहीं sir. है ही नहीं 15,000 भी नहीं है तुम्हारे पास. I said,
you don't know signing amount से आप cut कर लो ना.
ये सब logic वो तो मिलने वाला था ना. वो तो आएगा अभी नहीं आएगा तभी आएगा.
पेंडिंग पेमेंट से
वही कुछ बोल के मैं निकल गया होऊंगा कि ऐसा कर देना वैसा कर देना. ऐसे अरे नहीं ऐसे चलो I'll call you. And then of course he realized that it's a.
So he just scammed you. He was trying to just scam the 50,000.
He was trying. Maybe one person will give him 15,000 rupees. Maybe
Did
he
you ever
wanted
see
to
a
pay
movie
rent.
with this cast?
No.
Amitabh, Nasir and Sharman.
No,
I can't.
I never even saw that human being again. I don't know who he was.
What was it? Delivery boy who just quietly
some random person who probably went for his own meeting to that office and then.
He might be a big producer today. Be careful.
Who knows?
You don't know these guys.
But उनको भी याद नहीं होगा तो क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है.
No, but same scam must have succeeded with somebody else. No?
There are many kinds of scams. In fact, I mean, women face many more kinds of scams.
I've tried that. I call lots of girls to my office and I say, look, it's only men in the film, but stay. I don't do that. I'm just passing time here. Let's get. So then.
The internet sometimes,
I know,
how things
out
are.
of context. So Rocket Singh, which is a big movie. So you went for auditions.
I went for an. So I got a call. I was asked if I'm okay to audition for TV because Yash Raj was making a lot of TV shows at that time. It was a series of TV. If you remember, Powder and.
Correct.
Shadi.com, Rishta.com. There was like bunch of like new age TV stuff that they're making.
It was called something, YRF something.
I think so.
Huh?
Y Films was much later, I think. This is pre-internet. This is TV for TV, but now people say that was OTT content that they made 10 years before actual OTT came in. Because they were the non-Saas Bahu kind of TV that they were making. So there were a bunch of shows. There was a bunch of roles and characters and stuff. So that is the question I was asked on the phone, and for me it was all the same. It was like, I'll do TV. I'll come. What do I have to do? He says, I come for an audition. I went for an audition. I met Mr. Abhimanyu Ray, who was the casting director at that time in Yash Raj, and I met him once in IIT.
In IIT?
In IIT.
क्या करता है
Because
IIT?
they had not like when I was in IIT in Delhi,
Oh, अच्छा.
they had come to
I thought
Delhi.
second story like yours.
हाँ.
Abhimanyu Ray topped IIT.
But he had, I mean, I don't know if he remembered. He was sweet enough to say, yeah, I remember.
वो भी actor है.
He had come to Delhi to cast for a film called Teen Patti.
हाँ.
In which the film was based in an engineering college and kids who do some
So you done the
scam
audition?
so I had done the audition for that. So somebody must have told him कि अरे you're looking for, so the story was kind of set in an IIT kind of place. So somebody told him कि अरे theatre waiter circuit में ना ये 2-3 IIT के बच्चे भी हैं वो acting करते हैं. So somebody via we got on a call and 3 of us from IIT had gone to give our first audition ever when we were in college in Delhi. So I remember when I met him, I was like, oh, I've met him before. I tried to remind him we met once in Delhi, and he said, oh yeah. I think he was just being sweet. But then he spoke to me for 5 minutes and then asked his assistant कि इसको वो वाला फलाना whatever character's name is कि वो वाला scene दे दो. I didn't know what that scene was for. That was for Rocket Singh, which I found out later for the film. I thought this is one of the TV shows. There is one character. And in the scene, I have come first or whatever. My marks are good, so I thought method acting. And
इतना arrogant actor में मिला नहीं life में.
and my friend has flunked and I'm scolding him कि यार कितनी बार बोला है पढ़ाई कर लिया अगर तू पढ़ाई नहीं करता है. So I did that scene. I went home. Then I got a call next day saying you are shortlisted. I didn't exactly know what it meant. I said, what do I have to do? He said, you have to come back. I said, come back. So I went back again to the same office. Then they gave me another scene of the same character, which was, I think, the next scene. Which is the next scene when they are sitting and discussing, now what do you do in life? Like he's again scolding his friend कि अब क्या करेगा? मैं तो ये करूँगा, मैं तो वो करूँगा, मैं तो lawyer बन जाऊँगा. तो कितनी बार बोला था पढ़ाई कर ले, अब क्या करेगा तू? Whatever is मैं salesman बनूँगा. The scene is there. So on that day, I realized that this was maybe a bit of a big deal. It's like, I'm sitting in this room, I'm supposed to wait, read my scene. And then full Dula watching is happening. Somebody will come, open the doors like, oh, Amol. Oh, hi. Then somebody else will come. It's like Mausa, Chacha. Everybody is coming and checking you out. Oh, good. Just 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And then a little bit of my theatre actor was waking up. It's like, no, I should be asking questions about the script. People come and ask, iska kya matlab hai? What is my character and all that. So I went out looking for the person I'd met the day before, who was talking to this tall guy in a cap with a beard, turned away from me. So I went looking for him. Akshat, I had a couple of questions. He said, I'm just finishing this conversation. And the conversation made the other person turned and said, hi, I'm Ranbir. And suddenly I saw Ranbir Kapoor. And I was like, hi, Amol. And I didn't know what is happening. What is it's just 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. I'm just discussing the scene with him. I said, discussing the scene with him? What scene? And I went back into my room. Then somebody came, said, what happened? I said, what is happening? He said, no, this is for a film. Ranbir is learning his lines. And so we'll shoot. I said, which lines? He said, he's not Harry in the scene. The guy you're scolding. I said, oh, he's Harry. So, and interesting thing is your performance changes as soon as you know that, oh, this character is Ranbir Kapoor. So while the previous day I was like, क्या तेरे को कितनी बार बोला यार पढ़ाई करने को? Now suddenly the scene is, यार तेरे को कितनी बार बोला यार पढ़ाई करने को? The polite and respect के साथ कि
उंगली नीचे.
हाँ, अभी क्या करेगा यार तू? तेरा कितना यार तेरे को कितनी बार समझाया? So of course that was a natural instinct thing that I didn't plan, but it just suddenly happened. I realized कि yesterday I was doing the scene in a different sur, and suddenly my sur has changed. And Shimit sir was there, was the director. So suddenly it was all like, why did no one tell me that this is what it is? In fact, and there was some, of course, polite conversations also but my head was fully buzzing. There were some jokes about, oh, Delhi IIT, oh, IIT se ho, acha IIT ko chhod diya. Ranbir was joking about, oh, there's so many good actors from Delhi. It's almost like, how in films they're like, and you just hear some voices.
White noise.
Yeah, white noise. And I did what I could do, whatever we shot a couple of scenes together. And I left and I was not happy that I wasn't told and I was taken by surprise. I called the assistant director. I said, nobody told me and you should have warned me, and I got nervous and I don't know what I've done. And he was pretty chill. He said, नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, अच्छा किया तूने यार, जैसा कल किया था वैसे ही अच्छा किया है. I have, मेरे को है positive feelings है, मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ. I said, no, I can come back and I can do it again and
I'll scold him
give
this
it a good
time.
shot. हाँ, मैं अच्छे से
Ranbir, you
करूँगा.
failure.
But he was right. I got a call in a day or two.
Hmm.
This I think happened, and this was happening very last minute.
Hmm.
I think they already had somebody kind of shortlisted for that
And they
part,
pushed him out.
and they he never got a call back.
That was me.
That in fact that guy I lived with years later.
Oh, you knew the actual guy?
No, I didn't know. He told me.
Uh,
He said, before you did that film, he's my roommate now. 8 years later.
My God.
And it's like, when you did that film, who was going to do it?
Uh,
I said, who? He said, me.
the famous
I
actor?
said, Tariq Vasudeva, Tariq.
Uh,
He used to do a lot of ads.
Huh.
I think now he's kind of moved to Delhi. I don't see
Uh-huh.
him as much. He's a very good actor, theatre actor again. And you have seen him. You have seen him somewhere if I show him your face. His face. तो वो ऐसा होता है. So he was probably blocked.
it's a cruel world.
It's a cruel world.
I mean, you can't take it personally also, because it'll happen to you both ways. You could win and then you lose.
Yeah.
Last minute they tell
There's
you.
so many times you feel bad because somebody else kind of like almost very
Yeah.
close,
Yeah.
and somebody else gets the part.
And that guy's so disappointed also. Yeah.
Yeah, but there are times I'm sure when I am getting the part and there are 5 people out there thinking,
True.
I
It's
was
a
close.
ruthless world.
I should have been there.
But Amol, because of your talking and not letting me talk at all in the middle, we are running out of time. I need to get
This
to
is
where we
Amol
are.
says.
Amol says it's taken over. We won't talk about tripling. We already discussed that 200 times. I think everybody knows everything about that. But there's so many other films you've done. Sadly, I don't have enough time to do anything. But what's going on right now?
Right now, there is a bunch of stuff that is up for release. Last 2 years, nothing has released. Now, all these things also you can't control.
Yeah.
I've been shooting, but somehow
Sometimes
it
it
doesn't
happens
come
that
out.
they all release at the same time instead of spaced
Which is
out.
what seems to be happening right now. One show is definitely coming on May 2nd. It's a show called Kull, Kull, which means family. It is about dysfunctional royal family. Royal family, but modern royal family. Like the kind of royalty that exists now. Like वो lineage है, but अब पैसा है
Stature
कि
है,
नहीं
पैसा
है,
नहीं
stature
है.
है, पैसा नहीं है, fights है,
It's the
inheritance
Malabar Hill story.
inheritance drama है. Yeah, maybe which happens probably in big corporates also, which like Succession or whatever. All these kinds of
They still
themes.
believe they have that wealth.
Correct,
which 300 years
correct.
back
And
there.
it gets more weird with royalty because
Are you the prince or what are you?
yeah, so 3 siblings again, and a 4th half sibling, who's the bastard
Because someone
child.
is naughty. Some naughty parent.
All these royal daddies.
Royal
it's
doesn't
like,
mean loyal.
yeah.
Ra.
So apparently, and this used to happen a lot in earlier times. I don't know if it's happening right now also.
No,
but,
now we are all faithful.
all these royalties. We are not.
हाँ,
I mean,
इतना तो रॉयल नहीं है.
you are the royalty of South Bombay. Yes, I know.
मेरा उंगली खड़ा है.
ये salute. Royal salute. So yeah, so that's cool. It's an inheritance drama, murder mystery, like dysfunctionality of this, and I'm the
So
spoiled.
drama basically,
I'm the
yeah.
spoiled prince.
Yeah.
In very spoiled. In fact, this is the most spoiled character.
Is there anybody in the cast who's from IIT?
No.
You have to think about it. I'm telling you no. What kind of...
I mean, yeah, कभी गलती से कोई होता और बोलता कि अच्छा सिर्फ अपने आप को बोलता है.
So TVF boys there who started it there and they've got a few.
They
other
are. I
guys.
found them in Bombay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
That's it.
found out there were other IITians
But
roaming around.
actors में कौन है?
Actors में
technically
जीतू है.
हाँ, race, yes.
Yeah. He's from
Just two
IIT
of you.
Kharagpur.
Yeah, correct. 2.
Yeah.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
2 IIT guys turned their back and became famous actors after that.
Yeah.
Maybe more tried and didn't become.
No, there are. I think we now this group, me, Jeetu, TVF, I think also inspired a new generation of people. Now I meet a lot of
It's
younger
almost wrong,
people.
Na? Because they've come there and then again you want to about turn in a sense.
Yeah, and I get so many messages from engineering colleges and IIT saying मुझे भी करना है sir. I'm not your leader. I am not
Really?
a thought leader. And in fact, like I said earlier also, I don't go to colleges and follow your passion speeches because I don't believe in it. You do what you want to do.
Yeah.
Don't follow.
Which is follow your passion.
Which is no, I mean follow your own advice also. Passion is a very weird thing. I believe. Sometimes I've seen.
But ये तो passion ही है ना. Why the hell did you give up everything and come to Prithvi and stand there and look at the stage and
I
say,
think a little bit you have to be good at it also. I think, and that I see that I.
no, considering that the person has some talent in whatever the field they want to be in.
No, but I've seen acting is a very, very interesting thing that you can be very passionate and you can love acting without being good at it also.
By all the successful careers around us.
Yeah. I mean, I see, and a lot of people will say, they are very passionate and they are. You see them working hard. But
they're not good artists.
Yeah. And the passion is there, the hard work is there. They're probably working 18 hours a day and whatever. But
talent एक चीज है,
talent
जो है या नहीं
चीज है, वो आप फिर वो check करना. For me also, for example, I mean, very honestly, when I came to Bombay and I got good feedback here is when I felt like, oh, I know how getting a Best Actor award in IIT is. I was a little practical about it. Bhai, abhi pata nahi hai what it means in the outside world. But when I came to Bombay and I did a play and somebody credible and somebody legit, somebody senior, somebody you'd seen on screen, they came to you and genuinely said something nice. Is when I felt ki acha, it's not. I love acting is one thing, but I'm good at it is another thing. And then of course, if you work harder, then you get better at it.
What if your old company offers you the job back?
Abhi
Or both paisa, equity, stocks, everything, whatever you want.
नहीं
I mean, unbelievable money. है कुछ price?
फिर मैं या तो 1 साल करके पैसा लेके वापस आ जाऊंगा. I don't think I can do it.
Can he leave the He's bring down the industry, this guy.
I don't think I'll because it was also a lifestyle choice more than anything else. And I like the freedom,
Of
the
doing your own thing.
unpredictability, the uncertainty that comes with it. I mean, there are tough days, but overall, I enjoy it.
But you said more than one release, na? So cool.
Yeah, so Cool is coming out definitely on 2nd of May because it's been announced and the teaser is out. There is another show called Gram Chikitsalaya, which is on Prime, which is a TVF show, which will also most probably coming out in the next month only. Mostly in
So May you'll have 2
June.
releases on OTT.
Yeah, I'll have 2 shows on 2 different platforms,
Wow.
playing 2 very different characters. Where I'm a spoilt prince,
Yeah,
and
this
the
one?
other one is I'm an idealist doctor. He's a doctor who wants to do good and wants to change the world and wants to
Like Dr. Vijay Mallya,
yeah.
Dr. Lata Mangeshkar,
All the good that he has done for the world.
Dr. Sunil Gavaskar. These are doctors I know. They're all doctors.
He's a medical doctor,
Hey,
Like,
Vijay was a nice guy also. Huh?
but he's not a medical guy. Yeah.
No, but he kept the doctor. So I always worry if you keep the doctor and you're not medical doctor, then people might come to you in a public place and say, boss, dekh, ye ho gaya. And then what do you do? What's your next move?
Correct.
Yeah.
I saw him in London once though.
Yeah.
I was very bizarre to just see Mr. Malia walking
He's
around.
also like a star, yeah. If you grew
I
up
mean, it's
in-
difficult to miss him if you see
Yeah.
him. It's like, I know, I was walking with the friends like, is that Vijay Malia? Is that Vijay Malia? Yeah, I think that's Vijay Malia.
Yeah.
I think that's Vijay Malia.
Did you just go and say hi?
I was like, पता नहीं किस विंडो में से कौन सा स्नाइपर गोली मारेगा क्या?
देखो
माला नहीं है.
इंडिया की
We
जो
in fact we
culture-
walked in the opposite direction a little bit कि आसपास नहीं जाते हैं. कि ज़्यादा घूर के देखेंगे पता नहीं कौन किधर उठा लेगा, कौन गाड़ी में खींच लेगा, कौन किस विंडो में कौन सा स्नाइपर बैठा है, who knows.
Like, what an imagination.
Yeah, we are middle class people, small people. बड़े लोग को देख के डर जाते हैं अब लोग.
क्या बात है. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
One more release? That's it?
I mean, these two I definitely know are coming in the next 2 months. Then there are a couple other things. There's a film that I've done called Nausikhiye, which is a comedy film. This year,
Complete.
hopefully. Complete, almost complete, ready. That should come this year.
They've not given a
2025.
date.
They've not. We don't have a date yet, but hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. And then I went back to stage this year. I went back to stage last 10 years.
But how do
I
you have
came
time?
to Bombay
हाँ.
for theatre. Then I stopped doing it because
पैसा भी एक चीज है
fame
ना,
and
you have
money
to
and all.
follow-
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
हाँ.
I also, honestly, I got a little bored also. After 5-6 years of doing theatre,
One thing I don't like about theatre is doing the same performance. After some time, you have to stop.
yeah.
The same character, whatever. You know, I mean, 10, 15, 20 shows, whatever, and then at
Yeah,
some point,
sometimes you do 50, 100 also.
That's what. But you know,
Yeah.
there's a whatever the number is, there's
Yeah.
a number where you say, boss, boss, ho gaya.
Okay. And
It's,
then
it's a bit like marriage.
it was
You
also-
wake up one day and like, shit, same person. That's what my
Yeah.
wife says. I don't say that.
Okay.
I love my
What do you say?
I'm just happy. Same,
Yes, same person.
Yeah, koi person. Yeah.
Person.
Person. Not,
Human being.
Yeah, not turtle.
Yeah. So I went back on stage. I did.
Do they pay you special money and all now? You come back as
No,
an
I'm
actress,
producing
star?
it myself. Yeah.
Huh? What?
I mean, this one, a play, though I can, a performance piece, so I can
IIT
produce.
कैसा पहुंच गया? All his thinking is very different, you know. I don't know what to say.
No, this is a passion project.
Fair.
How they
Okay.
say.
Oh.
I wanted to go back on stage.
What
I
was the
wanted
play?
to do a solo. It's a play called Besharam Admi. It is.
my
If you
biopic.
see, yeah, it is a. In fact, if you see the poster, it's a man with a bra,
That's me.
not
That's-
wearing,
that's
but it's like
on
a
his
bra
face,
on his
yeah.
hand. It is about a man's relationship with his wife's lingerie.
Oh, nice.
And the kind of comfort or discomfort.
So she
one
leaves the
has
room,
with
he
that.
takes out her panties and all and starts sniffing it. That I had a
I
friend
mean,
like that who used
yeah.
to do that a lot. Yeah.
That would be actually a Besharam Admi.
So what is this?
This is basically the conflict is, as we say in Bombay, is that this guy, it's a solo piece. It's one person,
Oh, it's monologue.
75 minutes on
Wow.
stage. So I wanted to try that also. I wanted to take on that challenge.
That's
I'd
serious.
never done it. Yeah.
Boss, that's serious. Yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted people to see how serious.
No, 75 minutes, bro. That's not
Yeah.
bad.
So this is the first time I've also done it. In fact, before the first show, I was not even sure
I
if
mean,
I
you're
was
holding a
able to pull
bra
it off.
75 minutes. I mean, bro, a lot of respect.
I mean, there's hardly a bra on
Now
stage.
put it on for God's sake. I paid money to watch the show, yaar.
Yeah, maybe that's what people expected to see
Yeah, yeah.
because they saw the poster and came for the show. And the show is called Besharam Aadmi. They said, "Abhi to bahut
Who's
besharam
written
hai."
this?
So this boy called Vijay Ashok Sharma who came to me with this idea. So this idea that I wanted to do a
Contemporary
play.
cheese. Right now, they've written this guy.
Yeah. It is. I like doing
Living
contemporary
in the moment,
stuff,
yeah.
at least on stage, because that is one medium where you can tell. Like if I took this story to a film studio, a film producer, they might be like, "Who wants to watch it?" We don't know. It's not. It's not a. There's no proof of concept. But I can experiment on stage, which is why I can burn my own money also and make some losses. But at least do something that is interesting and exciting and new. So this is about this guy who is the only character on stage, who's married. They are a cool progressive couple, both work from home and divide chores at home. So she makes the lunch, I do the laundry. And you know, in the beginning there was some discussion about should I be doing her lingerie also with the laundry.
Oh, nice.
And she was like, don't do it. And I was like, how does it matter? Yeah, come on, we are cool, we are progressive, and we are this thing and all these labels that you have for yourself. But one day the parents are in town. मम्मी पापा फर्स्ट टाइम आपके साथ रहने आए हैं एंड दैट मॉर्निंग मम्मी के सामने मैं ब्रा नहीं सुखा पाया. Something happened to me. Something stopped me. And when I took out those clothes from the washing machine and I looked at my mother, I just couldn't do it. So this 75-minute piece is this man sitting in the park and psychoanalyzing himself about why. Let's find out why I couldn't do this. What stopped me?
I like this.
from
I'll
doing it.
watch this play.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
This
it's
is a
a-
reality of.
It is at least the emotion is very understandable.
No,
Most of the
I'm-
people I checked it with, they're like, yeah, I
yeah.
understand. Whether it happens to you or not, you
It's a very
understand
good
that
point.
feeling.
If you suddenly put anybody in that position where they're suddenly washing things and then their
Yeah.
mother's standing there, what do they
Yeah.
do if they have the lingerie, female lingerie in their hands?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the starting point. And then this is the scene is 75 minutes of him
Analyzing
just
himself through.
psychoanalyzing himself
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. Nice.
and trying to find the root cause of what stopped me. If I am so cool and if I am so progressive, if I believe in equality, if I believe in this, then what really happened? What is there inside me that stopped
Why is
me?
the Indian male so fucking complexed?
Yeah.
That's the
That's
second part of the same.
So there are a lot of people say, "Oh, what a deep message," and first of all, I want to entertain, right? I mean, a
No,
message
but
is
deep
good.
message is great because once people get things of their own from it, that means they're super successful
So,
in terms of
it's-
layers of
so it
thinking
is
that have
not
come through.
unsuccessful when people say this, but my preference is that the first thing that they say is
Have a
कि
good time.
मजा आया, right? And but if the first thing is कि bro, how did you do this for 75 minutes alone on stage non-stop? That's also a good thing. It's good.
But see, it depends
it's a
on the play. Na? If the play is about an AIDS patient who's dying, could you say maza aa gaya when you leave? It's not the right
Maybe not,
expression.
maybe
I mean,
not.
and then he dies in the end. You're like,
I-
wow! I mean, you can't do that.
I may have made that mistake a couple of times.
Yeah.
No, because you come out of the screening and because you have not rehearsed what you're going to say. You're
Yeah.
going to meet the director or the actor, and I just came out of the
It's
screen.
a
and
tragic
I said,
thing
I know,
and you-
and I said,
Yeah.
lot of fun.
Yeah.
And that person looked at me like this,
816 people
you know,
slaughtered in the battle
yeah.
of Bunga Bunga.
But I just, maybe I just meant fun. Like, oh, it was a
Yeah.
good experience to
yeah.
watch it, or I
If you
felt
see something like
something.
water show, that's great. That's a safe line.
Yeah, maybe, or
Kya
the
Kya baat hai?
Kunal Roy Kapoor told me some hacks.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
know,
no,
when
that's
you don't know.
Sudhir Joshi act, no?
No,
As
what is-
expected.
No,
the best line.
You've done it again. That's just go to the person and say,
You've done it again.
you've done it again.
Nice. Nice. Superb.
And let them figure out what that
Yeah,
again
yeah,
is. Oh, that's
You-
great.
Yeah,
yeah. And you would do, you've done it again.
All that counts. Yeah.
Yeah, and he's a pro, right? He's been, I think, probably doing this theatre thing and other things and film
You
screenings
asked
for a
Kunal
while.
Roy Kapoor who trained him
Who
in
taught
Little
him?
Actors Club when he was a small boy.
Who
and
trained him in?
stammering. There was a thing called Little Actors Club in Colaba, the Padamsi used to run. And there was one boy called Kunal Roy Kapoor who came for training. And another slightly older boy who trained him.
Who,
I
Naseer?
also taught him about ladies. He didn't know much about
Taught him
women.
about ladies,
No,
but he still
he's
doesn't seem
really
to know
told-
much about.
No. He's
ladies.
very faithful. He's a very strange man. Fell in love with
He's
one
the
girl,
royal-
married her.
loyal one.
Yeah, he was the loyal ही है.
Loyal है
अपना
वो.
जैसा नहीं है.
नहीं,
He's
मैं
not
भी-
from IIT, beta.
I may not have been loyal to my degree.
Yeah,
but,
you will not be loyal to anything.
No, I can be loyal.
Yeah.
I can be.
Okay. We'll bring you back and ask personal questions. For now,
Yeah.
we've run way out of time.
Hmm.
Is there anything else you want to talk about that's launching?
There is a bunch of other stuff, but I think
We'll bring you
we're
back.
good for now. We're good for
We'll
now.
bring you back and talk
Yeah.
about them in detail
Yeah.
and do justice. to
Yeah,
them once
yeah,
we have a
yeah.
date.
I don't want to finish all the.
No. When we have a date, you'll be more excited about that also coming out now because now you can't tell until it's 100%. coming
So
out.
one date, 2nd of May,
2nd May.
Kul is coming
Yeah.
on Geo Hotstar.
Geo Hotstar.
Geo Hotstar. Kul, the legacy of the Risings. That's the family, Rising
Okay.
family.
Set in Jaipur.
Set in a fictional place called Bilkaner.
Oh, how imaginative! Seriously,
it may
Why
remind
couldn't
you-
they-
it
why couldn't
may
they take
remind
the-
you of, yeah.
Why do we have to hide the name of a city here or a place?
I think maybe so that no
Legal
one.
issue?
Maybe somebody feels like,
Because they're mentioning a royal family, so
Oh,
then.
a real family, the
Yeah,
Bilkaner family. So you
Yeah,
don't want to
yeah.
be like, you're showing some.
But they just say it's fictitious, no?
Yeah, but if you say Bikaner Jaipur, somebody gets upset.
Fair enough. In this world, why am I giving advice? Let it be here. They've spent all that
There's
money.
so many
they-
sentiments floating around in the
Uh-huh.
world, and they're just getting hurt
Uh.
sometimes. So even if the family doesn't care,
Yeah.
because we shot in the Bikaner palace,
Uh.
right? So
You
then
shot about Bilkaner in
in
the
Bikaner palace,
Let's-
the
let's
actual
be-
real
let's
palace
be
where the
clear.
family lives. where
L,
the-
is it like French? Is the L silent or something like that?
I mean, some people might miss it in the show. Like
Oh.
it sounds like
100%. If
Bikaner.
I was reading it, I would read it as Bikaner.
Yeah,
I wouldn't pick up the L was put there also.
Bikaner ke Raja, Bilkaner ke Raja. Or,
Bill,
so,
apostrophe, Kaner or something. You have to do something more.
but SNP and whatever.
I'll talk to
उसने
legal.
अपने
Yeah.
कुछ
Don't
किया
worry
होगा.
about it, boss.
No.
Anyway, Amol, you want to talk about Sardar
Sardar
Udham right
Udham?
now?
Yeah, what is
Quickly. Huh.
okay?
Where you played Bhagat Singh.
Where I played Bhagat Singh.
That was
yeah.
also some time back, yeah.
That was a while. In fact, I shot it before the lockdown.
Yeah.
It came out during the lockdown.
Huh.
And came out on OTT. That was, yeah. I mean, what can I say?
No, it's just the fact that that's a very interesting.
That was very interesting casting.
because you're
I
playing a
would say.
historical figure. You're playing a very, very revered figure.
Yeah.
Also.
yeah. I was a little scared.
Yeah.
I was scared.
Because there's also a little bit of data available, etc. So look,
No,
this,
and
that.
there's a lot. There's a lot of content.
Yeah.
I mean, we are say content now, but films and
Mm,
shows and books and literature and theatre about Bhagat Singh and the whole
Movement.
era and the
Yeah.
team and the movement. So, and he a little bit, I mean, of course, we all know who he is, but little bit when I started reading again
Hmm.
because of the film, I realized how big and how intense his impact has been in history, in that region, on the freedom movement. And then you get a little nervous because then you feel the weight of that pressure on your shoulders. And like, oh, I don't know about this if I want to take this on. But I can't say no. It is because that was in fact when I spoke to a couple of friends saying this has come to me, I'm not sure. No, Shujit Sarkar and Bhagat Singh, like, you're not sure? Call him right now. Call him right now. My friends made me do this. Like they pushed me into it. I was taking some time to give me a day to think
It's an
about
iconic
this.
role, no doubt, but I can understand the fear. Huh.
Yeah, so that was there, and little bit conversations that I had with Shujit sir, we also realized that he wanted to show them in a slightly different light, not change
So
history.
why did he think you'd be Bhagat Singh? What in his head? What would be the reason?
I was also a little surprised because the Bhagat Singhs I had seen also looked a certain way. But when you actually read the facts of the history, I mean, we can talk about how tall he was. He was
That's
apparently much taller than me.
immaterial, that's on
But he
celluloid.
was 23 when the
When he
hanging
died,
happened,
yeah.
when he died, martyred. And the era, that time we are showing, these are probably 21-year-old boys. So
Yeah.
that is I think that was his priority, was to capture that essence, that boyishness of these people. That yes, they had great ideas, they were well read, they were very passionate
And super courageous.
and courageous, but at the same time we forget the fact that they were 20-year-olds, 21-year-olds, and that in fact adds more to that aura. That imagine a 21-year-old being consulted by 50-year-olds about what our next step should be. So there is a scene in the film also where Vicky's character Udham, he reaches London and meets all these senior people in London who kind of like underground revolutionaries. And the first question they ask is, what is Bhagat Singh? What is Bhagat's opinion on this? So imagine, it's almost like a 21-year-old has created
Like
an
head of
aura,
department,
an
yeah.
impact, where people, even at that time, whether his peers or his seniors, really respect this boy and how he thinks and how he is seeing the revolution, what his next steps are, what is he planning. So even, I mean, these scenes also give you an idea of who you are playing. You know, when that character is being talked about in other scenes, so that pressure was there. But I'm happy that this happened, and I'm happy I took this on, and I'm happy the way it turned out. When I saw the film, I was stunned because I shot for 7 days. I had not seen the rest of the film that they had already shot before that. So I remember watching it on the screen. I was like, this is, I mean, no disrespect to Bollywood, Hollywood. This is a Hollywood film. Like this craft is too good, and I was happy and proud that this is going to be on my IMDb profile for forever.
And let me just add here that Sujit Sarkar has approached me for my biopic, and I want you to play my friend Kunal.
Okay.
शक्ल से मिलती है ना थोड़ा बहुत
Kunal, which Kunal?
My Kunal is fat boy. Vijay
Kunal Vijay. So I'll have
largish. But why? See, you're an actor. These are not important. We'll work on all that. We'll add weight.
Work on the physicality. AI से भी हो जाता है.
You'll have to get asthma, lose interest in life completely, lie down a lot. You're a method actor.
I lie down a lot.
Oh, I'm sure you do.
I like to lie down. If I have nothing to do, I am horizontal.
Next podcast. We should do podcast lying down. Why are we making people sit
up? Yeah.
For the more serious thing, you talk about Bhagat Singh, you sit up. You know, and the moment you go back to IIT and you know how they're ragging you, whatever, they lie down. It's just having a wife and girlfriend in the same bed. It's horrible. People think it's great. Bad idea. Not that I know. I'm just what people tell me. Yeah.
Oh. Who are those people? Kunal?
I know much bigger actors. Naam loo main? Amol, we've run way out of time. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And now
Thank
you come back on.
It's always fun.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
Please. तमीज से बात करना है ना. Important people यार.